Welcome to our presentation on McDonald's supply chain management and operations, centered around the need for speed without sacrificing on quality. McDonald's operates under a vertical integration model which allows them to reap the rewards while also being held responsible for the mismanagement of the supply chain. Under scrutiny today are shortages and inventory management, queuing, and the growing consumer demand for increased quality, which will revolutionize McDonald's procurement.
The adoption of a franchising model by McDonald's means that they have a low-cost structure and have their main revenue coming from rent and licensing fees. They need to maintain strong relationships with key partners like suppliers and franchisees to ensure success, as they help supply the resources to carry out their value proposition of providing food and beverages of consistent quality to consumers through franchisees. Their channels of franchisee stores and the use of their app are vital in providing fast and quick customer service, while the use of social media is crucial in connecting with customers to build strong relationships. Potentially for the future, they could adhere more to their value proposition by serving more quality food and avoiding stockouts to ensure customer satisfaction.
As part of our analysis on McDonald's operations, we filled out a SWOT analysis on the company. We identified strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats facing the company, which in turn helped us in our identification of inefficiencies in the business. We considered strengths like McDonald's brand name, their large consumer base, as well as technology that has been recently implemented in their ordering process. For weaknesses, we identified delays in their supply chain, in the procurement of products, as well as waiting times in their restaurants. Opportunities included possibly introducing different discounts for certain demographics, as well as a possible switch from road to rail in the transportation of goods. Finally, some threats identified included their many strong competitors in the market, alongside the rise in health consciousness in the global community.
The inefficiency that we observed in McDonald's was problems within their supply chain. The company has experienced many problems in recent times, for example, problems with importing products as a result of their limited supply of the products or as a result of their importing methods. Due to this, McDonald's have had to cut popular items from the menu, which as a result is disappointing for customers and has a negative effect on the company. We propose that to overcome these supply chain issues, McDonald's becomes more efficient in their inventory management and make regular demand forecasts so that they can establish appropriate lead times on products. Finally, we also propose that they consider changing their methods of importing from road to rail transport so that they can transport bulk items of goods much quicker than the method that they have at the moment.
A second inefficiency we observed was related to queuing times at McDonald's. We located a study of how queuing theory could be implemented at McDonald's using a Poisson distribution to account for the distribution of total waiting time, queue length, and customer arrival and departure patterns. The study took place across 4 Fridays during peak lunch hours, and it was found that the promotion of Hello Kitty toys caused service time to lengthen on the 3rd Friday, with a higher utilisation factor and longer average queue lengths and waiting times. We determined that the queuing system could be improved by pooling the 2 individual lines together. Finally, we determined that the cause for McDonald's being so far behind rivals in drive-through speeds was due to the high number of touch points between consumers and staff and inefficient menu displays. Menus could be easily streamlined to remove breakfast items at lunch times, and McDonald's could trial a wholly automated drive-through system to see if this improves the speed of the process.
Procurement at McDonald's has led to a number of inefficiencies. McDonald's has been faced with a number of food safety scandals which have reduced the customers' confidence that McDonald's can adhere to global standards. Customers want more transparency from McDonald's supply chain, to know where their food has come from and what impact it has had in the environment. Sustainability is important for McDonald's, and McDonald's huge turnover of beef, responsible for 53 million in greenhouse gas emissions. McDonald's tried to resolve concerns about quality by replacing frozen with fresh meat. However, this has had a negative impact on service times and has created a need for separate production lines for fresh and frozen ingredients.